In this video, I'll show you how to get local channels on your Hisense Roku TV, so you can enjoy free, live TV from your area, including news, sports, and entertainment programs. Local channels are a great way to watch what's happening around you without needing a subscription, and the setup process is simple and quick. First, make sure you have a TV antenna. Connect the antenna cable securely to your TV's antenna port. A proper connection is important because it allows your TV to pick up all available over-the-air signals clearly. Once your antenna is connected, press the Home button on your Roku remote. From the home screen, navigate to Settings. Scroll down and select Channels. In the Channels menu, go to Tuner mode. Here, you need to select Antenna. This setting ensures that your TV will search for over-the-air broadcasts from local networks, giving you access to channels that are completely free and legal to watch. After selecting Antenna, go back and choose Auto Scan. Your Roku TV will begin scanning for all local channels that it can pick up from your antenna. This process may take a few minutes, so it's important to be patient while the TV searches for every available signal. You may notice a progress bar showing the number of channels found as the scan continues. Depending on your location and antenna quality, you could get dozens of channels, including local news stations, sports channels, and entertainment networks. Once the scan is complete, you can access all the local channels directly from your Roku TV's channel list. You can browse through the channels, set your favorites, and enjoy live programming without paying anything extra. If you ever need to update your list of channels, simply repeat the auto scan process to make sure you have the latest available channels in your area. If you want to expand your viewing options even further or access content that may be restricted in your area, a VPN like NordVPN is a safe and reliable solution. NordVPN works on TVs, smartphones, laptops, and other devices, encrypting your internet connection and keeping your data secure. It also comes with threat protection to block harmful websites and a kill switch feature that protects your IP address if your VPN connection unexpectedly drops. Using NordVPN can give you extra peace of mind while streaming and help you enjoy content safely from anywhere. You can use the link in the description to try NordVPN and start protecting your connection while watching all your favorite channels and shows.